have some great ideas for you for some trellises that you can make at home, and they're very simple to make. This first one is a great one. It's PVC pipes with slip joints, and it's actually an A-frame that you can adjust to how wide you want it, and then at the end of the season it folds up and you can store it really easily. And the other one is a tomato cage. Of course we use them for our tomatoes, but it's even easier to use, also easier to use for peas or sweet peas, even a clematis. And the one trick for these, both of these, is you want to plant on the inside of the trellis or the inside of the tomato cage. This way, when you're hoeing around the edges for weeds, you won't damage the fruit plants.
You know, and another simple one to do is just taking 3 sticks. These were just 3 that we picked up at a local hardware store or garden center. But you could also use, pieces of bamboo out of your yard or tree branches. So we just take the 3 sticks. We take a little bit of stretchy film. You can use any twine or ribbon. We just kind of wrap that a little bit. We'll tie it just to hold the tops together. And this will create just a little teepee. And then we'll just brace out the bases. It makes it quick and easy. Once again, we'll plant right in the middle and let everything twine up. And we got one more we'll show you over here on the fence. And the final simple step is to just run some string between 2 posts. These are 2 posts we already had in the yard. We're just taking some basic string we got at the hardware store. We're zigzagging it through these eye bolts. And the nice thing about this string will last about a season. So when you're all done, you can just take it all down and dispose of it with your plants. So here's a few simple tricks on how to trellis up your plants. We hope it's easy for you in the garden.